The next topic is the methods to calculate the distances. So there are two methods, direct method and indirect method. Direct means to measure the distance with the help of a scale or vernier calipers and all. Now the indirect method that we are going to discuss today, and the first indirect method is reflection or echo method. In this method it is used to find the distance of a hill from any position. So for doing that, a gun is fired towards the hill and the time interval between the echoes of the gunshot is noted, and if v is the speed of the sound, s is the distance of the hill, and t is the total time taken in echo, then 2s is equal to v into t. You already know this formula. You have studied in class 9th that 2d is equal to v into t. Here we are taking s in place of d to represent distance. So 2s is equal to v into t. So s will be equal to v into t upon 2. So from here, by this formula we can calculate the distance of the hill by using the echo method. Now the second method is radar method. The full form of radar is radio detection and ranging. Okay, and this radar method is used to measure accurately the distance of any nearby planet. And in this method, radio waves are used, and these waves are sent from a transmitter, and after reflection from the planet, these waves are detected by the receiver, and then the time interval between the transmission and the reception of the radio waves will be noted down. It will be measured, and then with this formula s is equal to c into t upon 2, we can calculate the distance of the planet from the earth. Okay, and here c is the speed of radio waves, and the speed of radio wave is equal to the speed of light. That's why we are taking c here, and the value of speed of radio waves or speed of light is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So this is the radar method, and this method is also used to find the distance of any aeroplane, okay, in the space.